In this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to create some clones of two views, and then we're going to actually switch live between them in full screen. And the way you do this is, first of all, to create a clone of the video in one, just press the number 1 key on top of the keyboard to bring that up. And that will bring up the first clone. And I can take that right now and put it aside, and then we're going to press 2 to bring up the second clone. So now I can play these together side by side. Of course, I can advance to any position, and they both, because we're in sync. And I can make these clones, of course, one larger, one smaller, maybe make a picture-in-picture, and then I can actually remove the border from the clone as well by hitting the F8 key. And now we actually have the picture-in-picture. And in fact, I can change the positioning by clicking, again, 1 or 2. Make one, get rid of one because it's behind it, and just bring it up as I need to. Or let me just bring these back with the windows, hitting the F8 key again. I got the windows back, and I can move them any place here. I can also put it into full screen. So I can, by hitting the F9 key, they'll all go to full screen. And again, to bring 1 or 2 in the forefront, just press 1 or 2. And essentially, I'm live switching between videos as if it was coming in live. And I can record this using the Windows Snipping Tool and quickly make a video. Of course, I can also pause, stop, and everything live. If I wanted to pause the video, I could do that and switch to the other view. I can run it in slow motion if I want. So let me go ahead and start. And I'll just go into slow motion mode. I can hit the shortcut keys using the Shift, colon, and semicolon, quote, so I can slow it down. And then again, switch between the other window. Again, hitting 1 or 2. And then I can bring them back to their normal full screen. So these are some of the things you can do with multi-view clones that make actual real-time playback and capture possible without having to render and create edit decision lists and make cuts and so forth. Thank you.